Toy shop, who wants to come? I have the Nerlie neonate babies. Wow! I want to buy the neonate babies. These are so cool. Can I have the pink and purple neonate babies? Do you have 10 cents? No. No money, no toys. I know. From the toy vending machine. Yay! I'm going to get my old neonate. Which toy do you want from my toy vending machine? This one. Okay, it's worth 5 cents. I don't have money. No money? No neonate. Idea. There's one in here. Well, money. I need 5 cents. Here you go, a blue neonate baby. Here's your Nerlie neonate baby. Good. Dooba dooba dooba. Dooba dooba dooba. Look, guys. These bubblegum Nerlies are so cute. Thank you, Dutch Stroller USA, for sending these to us. Let's open them. Awesome. Oh no. We forgot to get the neonate crib and the neonate bottle. We need to get the bottle and crib. Then where our neonate sleep. Let's go to the toy vending machine again. Let's see if they have the clip. Let's go. Yes, what can I help you with? Can we have the neonate clip? The neonate bottle. They are for 10 cents. Do you have the money? No. I can help you with it. Let's do it. Challenge. Okay. Good. Let's see if you can lift it. Let me try. Good. Awesome. I win. That means the neonate crib and the bottle will be mine. It's okay. We will share it. At least you guys tried. Yay! Wow. Here you go. The baby formula, the baby bottle, and the baby crib, and the neonate babies. Wow! Thank you so much, Dice Store USA, for sending us these bubblegum Nerlies neonate babies. Alex, which neonate baby do you want to adopt? I want this one. This one looks so cute. Here's your Nerlie in a bubblegum machine. I think that's why they're called bubblegum. Here you go. Here's your identification card. Here's the neonate baby's birth certificate. You can fill in all the details like name and everything. And here's your immunization card. The name of this Nerlie is Bonetta. Which one would you like to adopt? The pink one. Well then, here you go. He's a pink Nerlie. Her name is BOBBISUE. And here's her birth certificate and stuff. To adopt the purple one. You guys are absolutely so cute. And the name of this one is Bobby. Let's open them up. The concept is that they ate a lot of these bobble gums and they ate too much that they got these microparticles inside their body. And so to help out these neonate babies, this Tanya made this rebobblizator to move the microparticles around her body. And they enjoy the flavor of these particles this way. I don't know if you can see it, but they do move around. Wow, this is... Look, the baby's and he's an umbilical cord and you have to take it out. Do you smell something fruity? Yes. It's a fruity smell. Where is it coming from? I think it's her poop. Let's open her nappy and see what's inside. There's nothing. Yeah. Look, see the poop. Before we even unboxed the poop. No, it's a smell from the baby. We thought it was smell from the poop. Look, it comes with a small pacifier and a bow. Now it's time to open Bonetta. That is the blue Nerlie. It came. It also comes with a BOBBOL gum. And it has a purple bow. And the blue rebabblizator. So let's pull out his umbilical cord. Now he is all ready. Look at the poop. He did a lot of poop. It smells like bubble gum. This is so cute. Now let's open the purple one and her name is Bobby. The bubble gums are pacifier and the pink bow. It's so cute. And let's see what's her poop. It's the same as BOBBISUE's. Let's open Nerlie's accessories. Here's the baby bottle and the baby formula. Let's get the bottle ready for a neonate. This is the sippy cup, the baby bottle, and the spoon we got. Let's open the formula now. Here's the baby bottle that we filled up with water and the formula. So put the formula inside. Time to feed the baby. Look guys, now we're gonna open the Neo crib and it says we can put 1, 2, or 3 babies in it at the same time. Let's open it. Wow, it's so cute. Let's assemble it. Here are the instructions. Inserting the brackets in. I inserted the 3 brackets and now let's put the foot piece. I'm putting the mattress in. Since you have 3 babies, I'm going to use these brackets to divide it into 3 parts. So look guys, we made the crib and it looks so cute. And it's rocking actually. So we have this blanket and this pillow, but I think we'll use that if we have 1 baby. So we'll just be using the blanket, not the pillow. Time to put the babies. Here's Bobby, BOBBISUE, and Bonetta. Let's put this blanket so they can stay nice and warm. Oh, they're looking so cute. Rock-a-bye Neo on tree trunk. When the wind blows, the cradle will... I cannot stop playing with them, guys. They're so cute. Thank you so much to Dye Store USA for sending these for free. We absolutely love them. You guys can purchase these cute neonate babies from dyestore.com and Amazon. We'll try to put the link in the description. Guys, thanks for watching this video. And you guys will love all our unboxing videos in the future. So please subscribe so that you don't miss any of them. And don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel. Bye!